So I'm going to tell you one of my secrets, and when I discovered this marking pen, this changed my life forever, and let me show you why. I've recently finished a baby quilt for a new grandchild that is soon to be born in our family, and I need to make a label. What I'm going to use is some crumbs that I have, quilt crumbs, scraps that I have sewed together, and I now want to create the label. This is my favorite marking tool for labels. It is called the Stayer Pen by Sewline, and I have tested this pen. I have used it, made a label, washed it many, many times because I wanted to make sure that it wouldn't wash away. And so the first thing I like to do is I like to just practice a little bit with my pen just to warm up, make sure that I'm ready to write a label. And so I'm ready. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my message here, and I'm going to use the stripes of the fabric kind of as my guide. Now I'm not doing anything fancy here, and I'm going to leave enough space so that when the baby is born, I can put the baby's name and date of birth. But this will get me started, and I can now affix this to the back of my quilt. I am going to press the edges under 1/4 of an inch, give it a nice press so I have a nice crisp edge. I have some corners that don't want to stay down, and because I want to make sure this is nice and square and easy for me to sew onto the back of the quilt, I'm going to just put a little bit of fabric glue, and I'm going to press those down just to make sure it all gives me that crisp edge I'm going to need. It's now time for me to sew the label on. I am going to get out my needle and thread. I'm going to pin the label to my quilt, and then I'm going to start slip stitching all the way around the 4 corners till my label is finished. So the Stayer pen is definitely the winner in my book when it comes to a permanent pen that works fantastically and that really stays for many, 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 many washings. Thanks for joining me.